We are making our volcano.
Making a volcano.
He's pouring the red vinegar in right now. We put dye in it to make it like that. Using a funnel as a bowl. Cool.
Oh, it got on the mountain a little bit.
A little bit. It's okay though.
Alright, put that in this
This is our volcano. We're gonna explode it now. Jill, we've wrapped some baking soda into a ball of toilet paper. Jill will drop it in there and it will explode.
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 Fix our craters.
I like that word.
Get a little bit of red going.
Explode. Drop it in. Go ahead.
And here comes a dropping.
Drop the whole thing.
Yeah, the whole thing. And eventually it'll explode. You ready? Push it down.
Oh, here comes the volcano. Whoa. It's exploding. Slowly.
Watch, I wonder what sides it'll go down
Put your hand above my
fast.
camera. Put your hand above my camera. So I can actually see it. Put your hand
Going
above my
slow.
camera.
It is going slow. It's kind of cool though.
Yeah.
So what kind of lava would ours be if it's slow moving? Or the one with the P?
The one with the P.
This was the coolest thing.
I know. It's that's the fastest.
That's the fastest I
Oh my goodness! Oh, pieces of the earth are melting. Remember, like the plates that it showed when it melted?
Awesome.
This
This is pink more than red.
Bagel. It's cool. Bagel.
Can we do this again?
Orange is lava.
Yeah? Whoa, look at the red. Look at the red. Look at how dark that red is. Right there on the side. Alright.
Look at
What do you guys think?
And I'm zooming in on this.
No, but she wants to ask you what you think of the experiment.
What do you guys think?
Mm.
It's good.
It's good.
You see dark red over there.
So now look at the people who lived in this side of the village. Their houses are safe so far.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
The lava hasn't really traveled much.
But all on this
But on
side.
that side it was bad.
Yeah, this side's a little damaged. This side not so bad.
Well, there's one survivor on this side.
Maybe don't shake it. Maybe these people over there.
A prisoner survived over here. A
Oh, the
prisoner
prisoner. You're
survived
right. You
right
listened to the
here.
story.
What's going on?
Add
It's
some more to
sparkly.
it. Add some more.
This is the prisoner building.
Add some more baking soda.
Oh, it's still reacting, you guys. It's just slow now.
So it'll go bigger then.
It still is going though. Just slowly watch.
I see it going up. I see mine going up.
Awesome. Scale of 1 to 10. What do you think?
10.
10.
Don't shine it on it, because my
Okay,
camera
shut
can't
that one
see it.
off.
My camera
Awesome
can't
job.
Okay, all done.